we're going to see how this tastes. So I just blended up one of these giant, crazy bush leaves of kale. I took one banana. About to take another banana right over here. Kale, 2 bananas. I hope this tastes good. And blended it up in this joint right here. Let's get these bananas blended. Boom! Oh yeah! Ready for it? Oh yeah! We're about to see how this tastes. This is so real. I know you're supposed to have a lot of kale because, you know, it's like really nutrient dense vegetable. Whoa. It's like incredibly pulpy. But that was so good. Yes. Mission accomplished. That's the new drink of the month. Thank you.